Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Zeria oral tanning drops. So whether you should purchase these drops or not, this is what we will be trying to find out in this video. So this is a tryzeria.com website where you can find this product, and here this is the sunless tanning drops that we are talking about. So Zeria tanning drops are a supplement that you drink that is designed to increase melanin production in your skin. The idea here is to achieve a tanned look without the need for the sunbathing or tanning beds. According to the manufacturers, adding a specific number of drops to your beverage daily is the way of using it. Over time, this is supposed to enhance your skin's melanin levels, resulting in a gradual tan. Here on their website, they have mentioned their ratings and the reviews, but when I went on trustpilot.com, I wasn't able to find any ratings and reviews available. Then I went on reddit.com, and over here the user experience are mixed. So some users report achieving a noticeable tan after the consistent use over several months, whereas others have not observed significant changes in their skin tone. There are also people that are concerns have been raised about the product safety and potential health risks, including an increased risk of melanoma. Some users have also reported issues with shipping and the product origin, nothing that the product shipped from China and may experience delays. So in a conclusion, I can say that while some users claim to have achieved a tan using Zeria tanning drops, the lack of consistent result and potential health concerns suggests caution. It's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before actually trying such products, and to consider safer alternatives for achieving a tanned appearance. I will also try to put the best products link for you from Amazon based on the ratings and the reviews. So you can check out the description as well if you want to. So have you tried the Zeria tanning drops? You can share your experience in the comments so that other people could also get help with it. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.